Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your GMC Yukon. First, gather your tools: a 15mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. You will also need a new oil filter and about 7 to 8 quarts of fresh 5W30 synthetic engine oil. Park your Yukon on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for at least 30 minutes. Now let's get under your Yukon. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 15mm bolt on the oil pan. Place your oil drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready, as the old oil will begin to flow out quickly. Allow it to drain completely, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil draining, find the oil filter, typically on the driver's side near the engine's front. Unscrew it either by hand or with an oil filter wrench, and let any remaining oil drain into your pan. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by about a quarter turn with the wrench. Once the old oil is fully drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, move to the top of the engine. Remove the oil fill cap and use a funnel to pour in about 7 to 8 quarts of fresh 5W30 synthetic engine oil. After filling, replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick and visually inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.